Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem with your Messenger. So if Messenger is not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Messenger app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power on the phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your messenger. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here messenger. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it was successful install the latest updates for your messenger. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.